One song, eliminate one whole album, just wipe you out like you never did it.
One song?
Yeah. Bossy me. Me never.
But D-Mix.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
2014 to 2016 in biggest tune. Then
Brother, me not ask you.
You can't just say them thing, you know, Crux fan, them a depend on you, you know.
A few moments later.
Come on, me not.
You can't let them down, you know. And name a tune, name a tune at that point.
2 weeks.
Yeah. Well,
2,000 years later.
Between 14 to 16.
Yeah.
Before
when
the
Cartel
album
got
they
jail.
dropped. Before the album
go jail.
2010. 2011.
One eternity later.
The album released.
Yeah, Most Wanted. Yeah.
Most Wanted?
Yeah. That and that
you can connect
what
on
year?
it
and then
I represent for one Media Fox. Media Fox. How the latest news them lock.
Don't know one Media Fox funny up, you know. Yeah, man, big up. So, people, big up on yourself. No thing said. Remember, getting the tickets to Alkaline. You see me? You know, a KZR, I think a KZR or something like so. Center, you don't know, Miami, outside. So, people, we see a baby crux. Forward out. Big up yourself, D-Mix. But more you mix that one, yeah. Cause, you see, tell the crux to take off your jacket. Cause I feel like I confuse him. Crocodile now wear jacket, brother. Crocodile skin make for any weather. You understand? Any climate. So me feel like, cause the two of them now wear now, you know look like a winter, but me don't know where I'm going with him. You understand? Me don't know. But tell him take off your jacket, dog. Cause he come like it make him confused. So look at now. People are going in a video and make, because Jano, me don't know how she would this. Them make her represent the crux. One bag of madness, people. Here we go on.
Every musician have them fans and every artist have them fans. But you see the one them a follow Alkaline. Boy, I don't know if I said them about them. They're not nothing for the pan.
Mix.
Yeah, man, they're not nothing for the pan, my friend.
So the crux them, the belly crawlers them have something to do it for them, man.
What about?
Eh? All eat them, I do.
Listen.
Alright, watch this now. So it's a consistency in the music. I think it is very vital and key at this point. You understand? And if you now be consistent and remember I said every
Consistent, no consistence. Correction.
day pin the band in my friend.
Remember the mic.
You understand? Every day pin get older. And if you disappear for 5 years.
Hold on there. We want the conversation structured. So we don't want with it over there.
You say Alkaline disappear for 5 years, brother. I'm to them baby crux, sir. But you say Masicka consistence. When Masicka do what Alkaline do. For you, we know say when Alkaline in them first time in career we had drop hits, it was a different impact. What kind of impact Masicka do? Every day, every year, when you say my job hits, wait there. I wonder if you know say Masicka do a show in a mobile. Seeing one show where A can do in a mobile, and less than 300 people come out to see Masicka. Oh, you maybe not know because them hide it. This was after him just signed an international label, Def Jam 2023. And in a 2024, him do a show, the same song them wanna call hits. Seeing? When him a sing them same song there, the people them, I wonder what go on. Them never thought them thing there. You understand? So, you can go and talk about consistency because me no see what it do for Masicka right now. It not do for Masicka right now, brother. Because right now, the Cartel and the Alkaline thing keeping Masicka in the conversation. You understand? You just drop a bag of hot song and then by the time down the years, or so no remember it, that gone.
So over here, so.
I
keep it
fast,
structured.
No,
because you say you want to blaze a fire.
What?
Alkaline have some major plus.
Yes, he does.
To take away from his career, right? So we are going to keep this conversation structured, right? So as much as I know you want to blaze a fire.
Naturally.
And the Data fan base.
Yeah.
And Data fan base, listen, as I am a supporter of music.
Naturally.
I do think Masicka do the better quality music, and I think
by far
his last two Masicka. I think Masicka projects are better.
Hold on, come on, let me just get this clear.
Alright, go ahead.
One song, eliminate one whole album, just wipe you out like you never did it.
One song?
Yeah. Bossy me.
But D-Mix said that's ABC lyrics, bro. He said that's ABC lyrics, bro.
Yeah. D-Mix is a younger.
He's a younger.
Easy.
Yo, boy, me I tell you to write it. Brother, you see, let me tell you what you know. Crux now. Una delusional. Brother, me not think no artist in the world delusional like una, brother. One song. Brother, first of all, it not even can compare against Good Girl. Who tell you that, brother? You don't feel like the people out there in the world now listen what I go on? For sure, when you say, brother, una run down a hype. When since in a dancehall you hear say one song, hit with a whole album. When the album I make una get highlight off on a song, brother. What you talk about? Go up on TikTok and all the places and see the reaction, brother. Una just run with a little hot song, bro. And then down the line, down in the years, una not talk about the same song. Una do this every year, bro. One to the song them last year. Una remember and the year before. Una not mates them, the brother. And then when him go perform these songs, him not get no reaction because una hype it up because una fans. But when him go out there in the world is a different thing. You understand? Una delusional, brother. Me I tell you, una delusional, fam.
Young, he's very young.
He's not mature yet upstairs. But listen, this is 16.
Foolishness.
All right,
He sell 741 copy first week. The album debuted at number 1 on the Billboard reggae charts. 600 million plus stream total as of 2026.
Right.
18 weeks on the Billboard chart, right?
Yeah.
Then so New Level Unlock is his prize project. That was in terms of hits and quality and a variety.
Okay.
It was good, and he still went a little bit controversial on there because he have that.
Can I ask a question?
Go ahead.
How long before we got that so-called good album? From the time that we say, okay, Alkaline.
No, when the album dropped, you know.
Oh, but like 2 year, 3 year in him career?
I think him did the music before that. Him did have the music before that.
How long?
But it still don't matter.
How long? Cause Masicka do
Masicka do before him. Masicka do music before Alkaline.
But I'm going to show you something.
Yeah.
The consistency and the growth between the two.
No. Masicka.
Brother, Jano. D-Mix, me no know how you sit down beside that man. Brother, you should have just tell him to take off your jacket, brother. Cause me no know. Brother, first of all, Masicka released his album. Remember say 2015, Hardball, Masicka get the break. And him drop him first album in 2021. That a while like what? That a like 6 years. Bro, 438, come on while me hear on the talk. Cause you know, to me, it's just the name of the album, you know. Alright, 438. How much track them on that? But maybe like about 16. How much are the track them? How much are the track them? I play right now. The only song me can say you rare hear, they don't know, brother. They don't know is his biggest single in his whole entire career. You understand? The other songs, you know what, Chico, no? Just because Masicka didn't do his album by himself. So you can fully critique how him can forward out with a full album by himself for kind of see if him good at creating a story with the album and really do that quality domination in him album. Because we know say 438 full up a collaboration, Popcorn and some other artists them, bro. And Popcorn song have a good little numbers on it with him. So eventually he might go get numbers with the album. But tell me the songs them. Tell me the hits them after the 438. Go look on it. Tell me the hits. Because right now, the top price of Alkaline dropping at the same year, there is no song can come against the same song with Cree on the album, Ocean Wave and Hostage. None of the song them on Masicka album can come against that, brother. None of it. See? So, I be a madness attack. What him attack, brother. 6 years after Masicka drop him first album. And first of all, when him drop the album there, him did get a hype off of Alkaline album. You understand? Him always do this. Him always do this. Because you know always talk about say, yo, classic this, but tell me what's classic about the album. Alkaline drop our album recently, and when you look at New Level like that, they on the number 2 spot on the iTunes US. None of Masicka album them now dig up back. People don't remember them song, the brother. None of them, if you ask them, tell me the track them where they on the song. Them can't tell you. You understand?
I do music before Alkaline.
Yeah.
Masicka more have a name out there. I remember him used to.
I never really have a name them time. Them just have a name for Bust Up Conscience. That's all him did really have a name.
His name did not really a ring ball, but
I never have a name
known.
them. Yeah,
he was known. Remember him was
known for Bust Up him and head and a tune.
But him did their own Idonia and then he used to DJ Fast as well. Before him link up with Quartet and
you have to remember say it was a Conscience and Donia war.
Yeah.
And then Quartet draw him close and say, Ewa. Different Conscience.
Alright then.
And up to this day, I don't know if I don't answer them tune there.
Yeah, so him out there while Alkaline then at school them time there.
2014 to 2016, him biggest tune.
Alright now people. Look how Baby Crux I got flap himself yes now. So the you don't know D-Mix, big up D-Mix. You understand? Them a do them. Go and go tune in and watch a full video with them channel. I think them name Public Opinion Podcast. See? So look where Crooks are gonna flap himself, you know. Cause look, you know, the person them D-Mix asks him, you know, tell me the song between 2014 and 2026. For sure, you say it shows a Masicka music don't last long. Him don't even know which song. Him don't even remember the song them. But look at now.
Ask you.
You can't just say them thing, you know, Crooks one them a depend on you, you know.
Come on, I'm not.
You can't let them down, you know.
People, look how long him a go take.
And name a tune,
Which one? Name one.
Name a tune at that point. Yeah, well, we
Can't say alright, yeah.
we know that one, and the Crooks fan them can say, yeah, no, we're not talk about. Because remember, you know, when Alkaline,
2016, eh?
Between 14 to 16.
yeah,
Before
when
the
Cartel
album
got
they dropped.
When
Before
did
the
Cartel
album.
go jail?
2010. 2011. 2010.
That time, man.
Yeah. Me can't remember.
You see these things, people. You see what we're talking about? Look how him just flap himself. First of all, for you take so long, you even on your phone, brother, and you say you're Crooks. You can't even find a song where Masicka dropped from 2014 to 2016. It shows that Masicka wasn't dominating, brother. He was not, because you don't remember the song them. You did it all long, you can't get no song, nothing. People, listen what I go on.
But clearly, man does get caught in the same time.
But say, Alkaline did do music, but he really pop off when him start drop Champion Boy and them tune them. And when the album released.
People, I know him can't find it.
Most Wanted. Yeah.
Most Wanted?
Yeah. That
People, this is what I talk about. People, when Masicka do Most Wanted? Most Wanted was one of the track them pan him GOK album. That was released 2023. You see these are things we are talking about, people? Them say them artists big and that and them don't even remember him song. Like, what, 13 years ago? Them don't remember him song. And him wrong. The man asked you between 2014 and 2016. See? Your name out of Most Wanted with drop 2023. Bro, when the artist not ready yet, dog. And look at people, you might go see a next song and it's still not between those time.
and that
You can connect
What
on
year?
it and
then
preview.
What year?
and I will at 2014 the 17th of July.
Okay,
These are
I wish.
I will.
Which one that?
I mean,
Yes,
that's
I
I show you.
will.
See him flap himself again. The song name I Wish. The man on the song name I Will, brother. And I Wish drop about around 2022. So, see in 2022 that the song they drop. Yo, boy, man, I tell you to right it. People, them man here, them Crooks here, you have to just shake your head more while. Them don't know nothing about them artists, not even a song.
Oh, long
Mommy,
years
can
that
you
listen
forgive
to
me for living
Masicka.
like this at
course.
2016?
Yes.
Alright then, well I wanted to top tune them then.
So listen,
yeah.
Masicka name was out there, you know.
Yeah.
But what Alkaline did within that time frame when Cartel going to jail until people start notice Alkaline was with the black eye.
What a big lie.
No, but it's a means.
What a big
So, all right,
lie.
so this is
So let's
The man explain that, Cylinder.
Hold on,
There's explanation to
hold on,
that.
right.
hold on.
Explanation.
There's explanation to that.
There is more lie around this music and more truth.
There's no, listen. It has a means to get into the industry because it kept people talking.
Yes, but,
and for being, and
it's not the music that get people talking, my friend. So
No,
the whole-
eventually he backed it up with music.
after a year, 2-3 years of struggling,
It didn't matter. Him still back because when him released, people start following.
I'll tell you
Because
what,
I remember I
I'll tell you
started
what.
to pay notice as well. 'Cause
Tamar.
the curiosity was there.
tell him what.
Yeah.
Tell him say him need to pay him friend, him school friend, who used to write him music them and make him music them. Tell him to pay the you.
Allegedly.
Allegedly.
Okay.
Allegedly.
Yo, you see when them not have nothing to say, them Crooks, them baby Crooks, when them not have nothing to say, them chat a bag of shit. About right song. Brother, everybody found out and say things about Alkaline. There's no proof of that writing no song, brother. Alkaline been finding hits for years. Where right are they? When you just hear with a bag of nonsense and just run with it. Remember, say, is a girl found out with there and say, she write Masicka song them, you know. Remember that. So we can use that. Remember where they him have to take down the song them off of YouTube. You understand? Remember that.
Alkaline.
You see
Okay, you see that even make it worse.
Now you mix them up now.
But at least me not say I'm Alkaline.
You know. Yeah.
Yeah, listen.
Allegedly, him need to pay the people him first. Clear that ear first.
But listen, Alkaline has never addressed anything. And his fan base like that. That mystique that surrounds Alkaline, his fan base like that, and that's why they gravitate to him. So all of these allegations,
Alright, then
which he
why
has
is-
never
Horse. You know, say, make him get you though. Oh, you not ask the man about the Melissa girl we found out where they say she write too much song for Masicka. Why never? Since him a call out Alkaline where right and rare and him not approve it. Why him not? You should ask him about the Melissa man we found out where they.
Answer. Well, all of these allegations that he has never answered, it plays into his favor. Because obviously, the people gravitate to it. But again, I still don't want to take away because that is a plus for Alkaline. The album debut, well, I know the album debut at number 1 and it stayed 18 weeks on the reggae Billboard, right? And at the other hand, Masicka 438, first album, right? That one sold, it also sold what New Level Unlocked did.
No, but I hear no more.
Because New Level Unlocked did 741 copies first week, 438 by Masicka. First week, 2,874 copies first week. It debuted at number 2 Billboard Reggae Chart. Streaming numbers, total streaming numbers so far is 258 million total stream as of 2026.
So Tamar, I'm gonna ask you.
And also
wise man.
CMA Dancehall Album of the Year.
So Tamar.
Right, so the Alkaline fans will argue that this album debuted at number 1 and stayed 18 weeks on the chart.
Which is good. Tamar, I'm not take that from the youth, you know.
Right.
I'm not take that from the youth, you know. But what me have a problem with this youth is not being consistent. Yes.
You see what me talk about? Bro, when you get a next crux, brother. You just a state the man about album and weeks. This man gone consistent. Yeah, change. What you do? Yeah, move the goalpost out. Brother, World Cup are forward up. If you want to go up on the Reggae Boys, all of them chop off. It come like you did I work for Reggae Boys. Did I play for Reggae Boys, bro? The man asks you a simple question. The vendetta people them can say the album, for them album, they on the charts 18 weeks. Show you say, yo, the album did that do. Crazy. 438 never depend the thing for 18 weeks. That the man has stayed to you. You gonna consistent. Bro, every day you get up about consistent, brother. But what's the consistent doing for Masicka, bro? What's the impact? What am I do? Just do some regular shows. Every year it's and then by a few years down, nothing. It not make no sense, brother.
What do you hear? Masicka took a break, come back. I like both. It's a really good chat.
Listen,
I think that I gonna reach number 1.
So hold on, you never hear what me I do since lately.
You ask what I'm up to.
I saw me know about it.
Yeah.
It's a Christian man.
Right.
And I can put on a Masicka album and show it and my mother listen to it.
You can it?
Then I said, I cannot give it. My mother Alkaline album, no one just make for listen.
Alright.
She
But
probably
that's good. Both artists have the potential to dominate the dancehall space.
And by far Masicka lead. By far.
Music wise. I think
no,
Alkaline.
No, I interject this.
Right.
How Masicka for pass Alkaline and a lead?
Brother.
Yo, D-Mix, big up yourself. You mix the CD them good, or you mix the track them. Them man, yeah. I tell you, say, yo, brother, which music, bro? What music? Bro, un just hype up some little thing in Jamaica with Masicka and brother. It's like you not realize, you not see the reality, bro. You really watch all of Masicka performance them and see all of the crowd reaction there? I think you need for watch, brother. You need for watch then and realize the song them when say it's not hitting. Simple, brother. You understand? Simple. Because when I use one song, bossy, bro, well, let's see. Let's see what go happen after a few months after this. Because me know I'm going to drop other song and I'm going to see hits again. And then next year now, you wonder where them song they gone.
In what way? Not because the album the other day, I say...
Hold on, let me ask you a question. Let me ask you a question.
Yeah.
Because him sell out the Barclays Arena, that's why you say my lead?
Yes, man, bigger than Masicka. I can't sell it out. Masicka can't do it.
The other day, I go to New York and go into the Barclays Arena. Small to sell out, rude boy.
Okay, then.
So don't make that, don't make, because that man sell out.
Barclays smaller than Jamaica National Stadium?
Because him...
D-Mix, don't make him dry out. A bad mind, them bad mind. Through them artists now do it, but easy for sell. Then if it easy for sell out, why other artists never do it? Why other artists not do it then? Why Masicka not do it? Why the artists them, some of the artists them will not do it? Alkaline is the only one in the film generation that do it. You understand? Easy for sell out. Bro, that's a hypocrite talk, brother. Just to your artist now do it, make you talk about easy. Make him sell it out, make we see then. No say him can't do it, anything possible, but make him do it then.
Sell out the Barclays Arena. That make him a bigger artist than Masicka. Is that what you're saying?
So it not sure the pulling power him have. A demonstration that is facts, you know. And I believe in a father.
Brother. Let me tell you what catch a lot of people. It's just like how Vibes Cartel got missing for
13 years.
For 13 years. This brother go away for a while.
Yeah.
And then decide to say, I do an album, and I go promote my album and do a show.
Yeah.
People want to hear what me want, people want to see me.
Yeah.
That's all it was. It's just a chess game, I play the music and him do it very good. Man, I take that from him.
Alright, so I'm going to tell you, say, business.
So yeah, saying big up, Connie.
No.
You say that?
No, because in that sense,
Let out.
in that sense, keep him old fans, but now again, not new. Because, guess what now? People, like, look on Chronic Law.
Bro, you're confused. You can't even express yourself, brother. You have to drive a Chronic Law, brother. Like, brother, if you're not ready, don't fall upon a podcast, brother. Because me not understand what you say, brother. Me I tell you. Me say when me edit that video, people, it hard, but me have to highlight these things for people see how the crux brain work. You understand? But listen what I say.
Consistency for the last size. You can't go around him. And it Masicka stream more than Alkaline. So what I tell you, say?
So how much do we need to take these streaming numbers? I think that
numbers don't lie. Numbers do run the world, man.
I think Masicka stream more. Masicka stream more.
No. So if the album sell more than it must.
But listen. The dancer.
Yeah?
Whenever somebody release a project, then that project starts streaming.
Based on streaming data as of April 2026, Alkaline has more total stream on Spotify than Masicka. Although Masicka has been dominating the local Jamaican streaming matrix and has broken recent local record. Yeah. Spotify total stream Alkaline with over 360 million total stream on Spotify, while Masicka has over 268 million.
When that's it?
Boy, D-Mix, brother, you have to big up. It's just a simple thing, Googling. Brother, why? You know, say me lose half I host. Brother. I can't believe say you make a crux dry out, brother. Bro, Masicka is not streaming more than Alkaline, bro. Stop look pan the little songs. Them remember say Masicka buy a lot of views. You understand? But when it comes to Spotify, Masicka buy a lot of views pan what you call it? Pan YouTube, bro. Because of the label. And D-Mix just explained something a while ago. The man say dominating locally when he signed to an international label, Def Jam. So where the Def Jam have a branch in Jamaica? I don't know. Because there's no way this man signed to an international label but not dominating internationally. That now make no sense, fam. Me lose half of your host, but me not go beat you today. Me lose half of you. Because common sense tells us Alkaline stream more than D-Mix. Have to Google it and tell you no. You understand? That is easy, brother. That even if I'm but, brother, Alkaline streaming way more than Masicka, brother. Stop make the little hype and the little hot song them where my job railway fool, you know. You understand? Because I buy up the views them. No mean say it over Spotify, I do none. Because I'm not buying no views over there. You understand? Yeah, man.
And so Alkaline, all of the song them gone on the charts.
Yeah.
So you just released a new project. So it's expected for the artist to stream more.
Yeah, but that...
Boy, I don't know, me lose half of you. Brother, before the album, Alkaline always been streaming more than Masicka, brother. Don't you see the gap 300 million and 200 million, brother? Come on, bro. A common sense that, dog. I expect better from you. You see it?
The data is Alka still stream more than him.
But Masicka do not have a project out.
Me don't know what you talk about. Previous projects. Alkaline project.
You keep on and say Masicka on a project. The man still a stream more, brother. It's still a stream more. We're not talking about project. We are talking about the overall stream. Alkaline is streaming more.
Yeah.
And Masicka project.
Yo, host, give him some water there. You understand? Because Crux need water.
I just read out the numbers.
Yeah.
Which one I lead?
Yeah, when
So where you listen to this man and him just put out.
Alright. Masicka, throughout that time period, did a lead in a stream. Alkaline New Level Unlock was 60 million streams in total. And then you have 258 streams in total as of 2026. So now that, and you read the data is as of April. So you just released a new project. So it's like a stream.
You know one thing, Tamar? He's a very wise man, you know?
No, I knew music.
I can't believe that D-Mix. I can't believe that the host made the crux dry out, brother. Are we talking about overall stream or we talk album stream? Because him say Masicka stream more than Alkaline. That sound like an overall stream to me. Bro, that's madness, bro. People are watch this video, and I tell you, like, me don't know if them can sit down and meds this crux here.
We get that enough. And we're going to just continue listening to we're going to go far. Longevity.
Yeah.
That me talk about.
The last project never going well. The last project.
And you really think that project here, when just dropped the other day, going to end up
Top prize 2020. 2021. So Top Prize
Yeah.
and 438 drop in the same year, Connie. Yeah. Top Prize.
Which one was it?
438 was released in December by
Top
Masicka,
Prize
and
away.
Top Prize was May 2021.
So hold on. So one other longer time frame.
And
Tamar, don't make me ever hear.
438 did extremely well.
Don't make me ever hear.
Yeah.
But
them say, Alkaline of the business for
Tamar, pass us something.
what you call it?
No.
What, 3 years? 3 years? And him drop a album.
this?
And it does so much. Masicka in the game, hold on, man. And we are 2021 or 2022 in drop a project. So who you, man? What kind of top artist takes along for drop a project?
Tamar.
That's how we am saying.
Tamar.
Look how much artists did the way you never get an album from.
Thank you.
We are talking.
And then has Alkaline ever led dancehall?
No, you give me.
Yeah, for the time
Where he was the hottest artist in dancehall.
when Cartel left behind bars.
Alkaline.
Yo, I feel like we don't make that thing there slip, you know. More asking a question. For the 438, tell me the song of it. Because me know say Alkaline, Top Price, the Cree, the Ocean Wave. See? Bigger than all. Worse the song, what you call it? The Hostage song. Cree, Ocean Wave. Bigger than the song them with the pan 438. Go look it up. You understand? The only song with the pan 438 we are playing now, rapidly, they don't know, which is Masicka's biggest song. Go check the album list. Because I feel like when they just say, oh, True 438 it was a good project. Why? Because Popcorn upon it. And who else? I think Dexter Dap. All of these songs. But tell me, Masicka don't even perform like, what do I call it? 90% of this album, Masicka don't even perform it on stage. Him don't, only song me can say him perform all while he's there, don't know. Check the whole album. None of the song them no big like Cree and Ocean Wave, brother. So when I talk about album about, only just I use a little hype. I tell you say, you know, only thing with the album then is just a name, you know. Just a name. Just a name them with the album. Because you can't even call out a track. Me never you no call out couple track off of the album yet. Seem like on the day I talk about the NTP. Call out some track we wanna feel like say I do well in a 2026.
Cartel behind bars. And yes, and the clash there go on between Alkaline and Cartel. Who was the top artist?
Fair point.
Was it Masicka?
Tamar.
Fair point.
Masicka already know for boss of Conscience.
You know,
Conscience
me drop an album within
you
2-3
know.
years.
Conscience of more.
And stay so. I just kick back and not him there in the spotlight and still relevant. And that's way tonight for me. That me and defending. Tell me.
D-Mix, big up yourself. Don't make them crooks a dry out. Cause them him nah no information. A feelings him inna. That's why him there hold up the vendetta mass.
Yeah.
How come Masicka never come out? And after Alka drop, you have how much artists come out? Where was Masicka? Cause Intense High Water did there. Where was
Said that.
Where are they?
Where was Alkaline?
Them start about Consistence around 2023 when Masicka signed the Def Jam label. When Masicka drop him album in 2021, enough artists bust and get that run another year there. 2022 with Valiant run that year there. Masicka was not the talk fam. At 2023, everybody start out when him drop Tyrant and get the label deal and every little thing. And him a drop him bag of hot song them, brother. Don't make the crooks them fool on the dog.
What up to rotted? We're in there too.
So that me I say, the man did have the scene. And him drop out of the scene.
Right.
How comes this big artist, Masicka, never take up a button and just know say I'm here run dancer?
Look here now. Let me tell you this. D-Mix don't make them dry out. I tell you, don't make them dry out. Me see what I go on. You see me? Alkaline was always here. Artists are always a boss. You understand? A new artist them, the Valiant and Joshy them and the whole of them, a new artist them. So when them get them break, people are go looking, not saying it not stop Alkaline from do what it want to do. You understand? At the end of the day, Alkaline bigger than the whole of them artists there. You see it?
But
which part? When I Water Intense come Blue John pass him,
brother.
Relate to Alkaline in our sense because after, like I said, after New Level Unlock release, then obviously the storm went
calm.
But he was still releasing music because I was still playing certain songs that sound good to me.
Yes.
Right? So, however, his fan base was there. And what's the difference here is the Alkaline fan base grew with him. Because a lot of that fan base
dies.
Not die, no. But it might, as long as him in a music.
This is the point that I was going to make to you before tomorrow.
But me no land.
What I'm saying,
nobody.
When me a say, Masicka boss before Alka. Yeah? Right, I'm wrong.
I'm being still more relevant than Alka.
I just want to be on point because it look like you're tough.
Yeah, man, he made tough. Remember his skin tough, you know. Brother, alright, Masicka boss 2015. That's when him get him break, hardball. Alkaline at 2013. 1, 2, 3. You understand? And Alkaline fly past that. People start talk about Masicka when him start do the infrared song, when the Gaza kind of give him the strength, brother. No, Masicka was not in that topic 2016, 2015. You understand? Because at 2015, people start looking to him. And first of all, Alkaline make that rhythm hot. We champion boy the pan. I eat the same rhythm Masicka boss pan. The same rhythm. You understand? Because when you check it, Alkaline make Masicka get the look in. And so come him could have get that song. Them say Masicka their own conscience, them and the rest of the artists, them, you know. You understand? Nobody never look on Masicka. Them they have him just a youth, just a chat every day and want attention from Idonia. And I go around and they everybody link up with producer and nobody never really meds him. I went after Alkaline boss now and him forward out and say him no rate Alkaline. And so people start looking to him, brother. And them a try drawing Alkaline in a clash and I say about Gage and Masicka and this and Tamili. You understand? And when Alkaline boss, people start looking at young artists, you know, and try to compare, so they want Alkaline for war Tamili and war Gage and war Masicka, you know. You understand? So, anyway, you take it, Masicka been a right Alkaline wave with the back and forth, bro. Remember, so one time the Gaza them send him out for Alkaline. Now, who found out and talk about Gully Vendetta? And him say Gaza genocide and him change him name to one side. Him been a do this, brother. Every time Alkaline have to drop an album, him want drop. Remember, say from 2020, or 2024, him for drop the album, and could have drop, you know. He might drop it this year, because he want to ride Alkaline wave.
Yeah, but what you call it?
Hold on, man, Mr. Research. Me dark right now.
Alright.
Yes, when a man bring discombobulated in art,
Masicka bus 3-4 years before Alka. Alka forward in the game. And then reach on the top, drop an album, and then cool off.
The album will never make sense, will never do good.
It's still one of the top album them. It was Masicka between 2016 to
Making
2020.
singles on the island.
2016 to 2020, remember, you know, they have inferred where it start kick up a storm with Vibes Cartel.
Oh.
And then,
Strength that he
remember, you have Grandfather.
Yep.
So you find where Alkaline build up to new level unlock.
Yeah.
See?
Within space of 3 years.
A shorter space of time. Him build up to that.
I'm sure.
Build up to that album.
Yeah.
But you have to also understand, Masicka build up to 438.
How much years that take?
It don't matter how long it take. You
It
know?
don't matter. It matter to me. It matter to me.
When it comes to music, you have to these artists.
Bro, it build up, bro. Host, Jano, dog. Yo, Jano. You know, say, D-Mix, how you should have that chair there, you know? And put him in that couch. Can I learn? Bro, if Masicka get the break 2015 hardball, and then him drop a next album 2020, that's 6 years after. Alkaline get the break 2013, and then him drop him album 2016, that's 3 years, brother. 438 cannot come nowhere new level unlock because Alkaline can perform that album in an arena right now, or party or anything, and people still sing out all of the song them. Can Masicka do that with 438? Brother, Masicka don't even perform the songs them on 438, brother. Him don't. And they don't know alone. Go check the album. They don't know alone him perform all the while.
So we are talking about here right now.
Yeah.
Don't have that much number one hits, you know.
Masicka more number one than Alkaline. When I asked that.
Probably about 2 more.
No, that's more. Because Masicka put out more than him.
So it's
D-Mix. Bro, bad dog. Tell him man take off his jacket, no brother. I can't believe said man him up on the platform and I say Masicka have more hits than Alkaline. Dog. Bro, Masicka not even have a big girl song, brother. What I talk about? Name me 5 hit song for girls who Masicka have. Give him that one more there. Tell me 5 hit songs right now for girls. I not even give Alkaline will. Just find 5 hit song for girls for Masicka. I give him that limit there. I can't believe said it. Host, and you said 2, brother. 2. Bro, come on, brother. I expect better from your dog. You should have beat the Crooks, brother. You understand? But listen what I go on.
both of these artists are not like. You get what I'm saying? So,
no, but one I go do it.
Based on Alkaline fan base.
One I go pop it down and one I go uplift it.
Well, me get what you say.
Alkaline, I go pop it down. Masicka, I go uplift it.
I go
Fair point.
Fans them that they're not much
no,
defender.
guys, I'm saying, not true me a defender.
You're confused.
No, because tonight, better need a defender.
Yeah.
D-Mix. Don't make the man them dry out, bro. Don't make the man them dry out, fam. You understand? At this them one, brother, them don't have no information. The man couldn't even name a song from 2014 to 2016, brother. Him buff himself, brother. Him crashing on one wall, it show you, bro.
Them need a defender, you can't
Listen to Alkaline and Masicka. Who them can understand clearly and can tell you what them listen to.
Both of them?
No.
Yes, man.
Because first thing, them will tell us Alkaline voice come like one door or a double D40.
If I ask who?
A 5-year-old.
A 5-year-old?
Yeah, man.
Which 5-year-old really listen to them?
Come on. Out of Masicka.
Bro, 5-year-old, brother. 5-year-old, bro. Brother, get one better crux, brother. Get one better crux, brother. 5-year-old. 5-year-old don't even understand certain things when it comes to music, brother. You are say 5-year-old that say that, brother? Come on, bro, man. Get a different crux.
Alkaline.
Yeah.
Which one do you think I gotta have a better crossover in the next 5 years?
Skilly Bang. For the international success?
Crossover.
I don't know because Masicka is signed to Def Jam. So they're working on that. So obviously
crossover yet.
no, so we see
Alkaline got Jamaica.
Bro, you should have stopped it right there, so, brother. Stop him right there, so. You, Masicka signed 3 years now. Adding on 5 more years, that'll go be 8 years. So you're telling me him gone 3 years and you are asked about in the next crossover? That you try to say, brother? So you give Masicka 5 more years to crossover. 5 more years. Bro, it's showing us, brother, nothing is not happening, bro. You understand? Nothing is not happening. I mean, no one a 360 deal Masicka sign. Him sign maybe an album deal. You understand? So, I don't know how long you feel like for the contract they're going to stretch for the next 5 years. You see me? Because remember this, is a friend thing with Masicka, you know, him and Tunji, you know. Masicka have that contract for 1 year, sit down. It show you say a friend thing that no label have a contract put on for 1 year and for you if you decide. You understand? I rate Tunji rate him. So you get that in the head, brother. You can sign to an international label. Look on Shensi and Skillbang. We see what them do out there, outside of Jamaica. What Masicka doing since he signed? Where am I do? At one time, you see the man them call him up on stage with Usher. That's it. The man not do nothing, brother.
right.
And say I'm going to put a national stadium. Or over GC faster. Better. Any one of them you want to put the show. You feel say Alkaline are going to sell it out.
Well, guess what? I wouldn't be surprised if they tried it now.
Not even half the
After back foot of Barclays, I really do think they're planning to try the stadium.
Let me tell you why it happened in America.
Why?
Yeah? Because a lot of Americans don't know who he is. And
No, bro. This I get from bad to worse, brother. I want to sit down and hear man a chat shaggy and no call out the man, bro. The man say people who are father at Barclays Center are because them don't know Alkaline. Then if them don't know him, why them go listen? Yo, bro, me don't know, we have years, may I tell you. But people, me just want to highlight how them crooks, man, yeah. Like the brain of them nah no sense, brother. No sense. If you don't know an artist, why you go buy a ticket and go listen to him? Me not understand this, brother.
it's been gone for so long.
No,
People,
I think
of course, at the same thing, who's Vibes Cartel? More and say who's Vibes Cartel.
Watch it, all D-Mix chest. You see my head left, right. D-Mix. Brother, John Wood, they tell us, yo, this is one of the worst crooks me ever seen a dancehall, brother.
Vibes Cartel or Alkaline?
No, me tell them in music. And then appearing again. People,
Vibes Cartel name is big, bro.
Yes. But me tell you,
I think he would have crossed over if it wasn't for the prison time.
No,
That's
fully.
what I said.
I think he would have fully crossed over.
But what I say, with Alkaline, him do literally everything of Vibes Cartel do. And him this copycat like a wow man. Him goes a boom, him say, okay. And at the business.
Yeah.
Outside, out of mind for a second. Like forward back. People. And I saw him gain fans. People don't know who me be, but them been at hear my music, the one them are hot, whatever, so them are make an effort to come out and see me.
Man, he's a surfer.
It's not like him is an old artist, like say him is a soup packet where them young people are go on. You understand? Them not really want to come out with. You understand? He's a young artist, he's a young entertainer. So people are proud out who don't know about him. I want to see him.
And then
here we go now. After this album, bet me any money now. I bet you never try to sell out the arena now. After the album. Why can you never drop the album before?
So,
Bro, boy, may I tell you to rotted. Bro, no care man that the brother up on the platform, brother. He wanna chat a one bag of trash, dog. This man has a album, I bet off an album. Bro, the man I got headline a arena in Miami, brother. What album have you doing selling out shows? Yo, dog, I can't believe this. But listen people, that does content.
You don't get a beat, you see?
I'm saying. Him and him team know what they're doing.
Business.
What Alkaline team is doing, it's working. And as a young artist, right?
Mm-hmm.
If you sell out the Barclays, it's an accomplishment.
Yes. Me give him a tip
But
for
I
that.
also think that Masicka has the potential to do it. But this is not now the bar, no. This is not the measuring stick for success and the status of an artist. This is not it. You get on, I do him thing. His team are going about success in a different way. So if he gets signed by Def Jam, it's still an accomplishment.
Yeah,
because at the end of the day, if them never appreciate your craft, they never sign that. So now it's for them to enhance Masicka status and appeal so it can cross over into that market. And I think he has the potential to do that, to garner the same type of success with a Sharp and Shaggy. So hopefully we can start here side.
Bro, boy, may I tell you. Brother, Masicka signed 3 years now. 3 years, bro. And in that 3 years, Masicka only dominating Jamaica charts. In Jamaica, bro. That's, you know how losing that is? To sign to an international artist and you're only marketing in Jamaica? You're only dominating Jamaica, brother? Bro, that's not success. Because if you sign for go international and you're not doing it, you're not dominating over there like that, you're not, bro. You understand? We should not see Masicka dominance over Alkaline. Bro, we not use some hot songs, brother. We not use some controversy and some internet talk. We're not seeing it, fam. And remember this. Masicka did Barclays Center. But he was just one of the side artists them. Remember that with Bounty Killer, Idonia, and Movado. Remember that, bro. You understand? So it's not like he has not performing there. He performed on the one with Vice Cartel. You see it? Masicka just don't have that catalog, bro. Masicka can only have girl song. Girl song are one of the biggest thing we have in your catalog, brother. Because you have more population than them. Females have more higher population than man. If you don't have your girl song, then brother, it don't make no sense. You can hardly find a song where girl them for broke out to when it comes to Masicka, dog. Come on, brother.
In about 2019.
But Shansi had whole heap of collabs with international acts. Can you look at some more collabs them?
I think what happened than him?
Shansi had done some
and it
song,
still
man.
never really work out. She have a swim back across the river because she go out with a brother, something like a brother boss go out with, and it end up it kind of shake up her career, you know.
Yeah, but obviously if the music now selling now, all that.
You get me?
So, but the music is changing. Music overall is changing because even the international artists are not selling that much. I believe there's a...
And America MDFA from basically about 2017, 2018. And,
no, back and
the man still waiting there. Man still remain relevant. Him not doing a show at Jamaica too tough. Well, Masicka basically so coming out.
No, man.
So the man hold him ground and hold him space, and the man basically is a businessman because the man said the wave, it's a cartel out here now. The man ride the wave and do two Barclay and say, hey, who else could I do it?
Tamar, can I ask you a question?
Him alone ride that wave.
The album.
Calculate on the wave with cartel it and who else could I do it?
I ask you the question.
Bro, you see this cartel wave thing? You don't get it incorrect. You understand? You didn't know say Alkaline was state to be in an arena before Vice Cartel. You see that UK arena? Wanna see? Cartel never announced no for do no arenas yet. So when you check it by date, Alkaline arena announced from 2024. Cartel was in 2025 February. Get that in your head, brother. If Cartel did have to do retrial, Alkaline would still do his arena. You understand? He would have still do him arena, bro. Is it? Because it done PSM gonna do arena in a 2025 and 2024. At 2025 February, Cartel announced for him arena in a Barclays Center. So when you check it by date, Alkaline announced their arena before Vice Cartel, bro. If Alkaline for ride anybody wave, it would have be Buju Banton. Buju Banton been doing arenas, not Vice Cartel yet. You understand? Get that in on the brain, fam.
The question I asked you last week, I gotta ask him, give me 5 artists right now, different from who done it already, put them together, they sell out the Barclays.
5 artists, okay. What?
And this is the thing, by themselves, them pan the flyer, we are talking about artists by themselves. We not talk with them and no other artists. Bounty Killer, Imam Movado and Masicka was on it, and Idonia. You understand? Yeah. Alkaline did it by himself. Vice Cartel did it by himself. And them alone sell them show. You understand? Yeah.
Young artists.
5 young artists.
Young artists.
Bunty had a show in the Barclays. Beanie had a show in the Barclays.
Beanie never had a show in a Barclays, bro. That's UBS him though. UBS, not Barclays Center.
So
young
is
artists.
this what dancehall music come to know where
you have to follow the
arguing
artist?
about
No, because him
selling out the Barclays?
no, because him father over
But you did it even before Cartel.
Brother.
Then you have Bunty. No. Bunty did it after
Back
Cartel
up,
still.
And Alkaline still and will never do the numbers of Masicka. You understand? Yes.
I mean,
yes,
he's streaming now. He's streaming now.
Tamar, for how long? But Look at it. Him album, how long now? Alkaline album come out, the last one.
About 3 weeks now, 2.5 weeks. No, not 3 weeks. I think 3 weeks. I think
I just last Sunday, so it didn't have a proper full week counting.
So D-Mix, bro, I don't know, brother. I don't know how to make this man up on the thing attack, bag of madness. D-Mix just tell us the overall stream. So how Masicka fi overstream Alkaline when Alkaline a stream way more than him, brother? Wanna get them argument here from, brother? A bag of song where buy views on the hot up and then people not forgot about it. What we are talking about? Streams or we are talking about big hit songs or what we are talking about? Because for the last, from 2023, we not say Masicka consistent. For a man we drop so much hits, how we can't see the impact what you might do? We not just say you drop hits, but where the hits are sure, where the hits reaction, wait there. We don't need to go watch back some show with Masicka, you know. We don't need to go watch back some show, dog. And then you realize the reality.
There. So just a week and a day.
1 week, yeah.
Okay then. Yeah. And for your album and for your artists were supposedly hot or whatever, yeah. Me not hear this thing pan or nothing.
No, social. It's not in your feed. It's not in your feed.
Come on, song. And it's like, you tell me if you listen to the Alkaline album the other day, yeah?
I did, yeah.
And me listen to it. And one song, Tamar, forward out from the chat.
Yo, I'm recommending people to listen to it.
One song.
Bro, you can't recommend Crooks to listen to Alkaline album, bro. Them no know music, brother. As D-Mix or ABC, them run with, bro. That's why the man can't get no hit song, brother. Him can't get no hit song, cause me can tell you, him nah no song way bigger than After All. With Alkaline, him nah have none. So, make the baby Crooks them go and fool up themselves and realize, say, brother, Masicka career only a get run out a risk, bro. Because right now, him gone about 10 years in his career, brother. 10 years. Him should not do what Alkaline do right now. You feel like say dropping, because we're not talking about hot song, it's not hits. Dropping a bag of song. Wait there. You feel like say Rihanna and them big artists they drop song, but though them can full out a stadium and full out some big place. When last them drop a hit? If you feel like say music is all about dropping song and make a sad mistake, remember say man can drop one big hit and it shell out everything. You understand? One big hit song worldwide and that can serve him, brother. You understand? So you can go on, Masicka use song a kill song, you know. You not go see what go on still.
You see, I'm recommending
one song, music film people, them. They talk about the freaky people in America. There's the whole ocean that. America, the whole ocean, you have all kind of sitting mix up over there, so that we call it. So them song there, from
over them,
Aura, the damn good.
Yeah, this brother you know, one album. Look how the man deal with the females, them. You have a mother, me have a mother.
All of my girls, them a trophy. All of my girls,
everyone, but no, go listen to Alkaline now. You can't call your mother, your wife, or your daughter, them, something with me, Alkaline, I call the woman, them in a film tune. Can you Alkaline give your mama?
I'm never going to argue against the quality we get from Masicka. I'll never argue.
You don't reach lion food, Rasta.
Yeah,
the man have
a piece of dog food.
So him can only do a budget work.
Alright, the next thing where the Alkaline fans
yeah. Because him stop pay the because him not pay the youth tomorrow. Me tell you about it.
Allegedly.
Don't mash up your thing for it.
Right at them.
So what you said to the like the
boy dog, this was a long one. But look you now. Brother, when things in a dancer we talk about quality, I don't understand that. This quality. Brother, if man a drop so much quality and it now go big for a sign artist, it don't make no sense, brother. We wanna say a quality. Bro, Alkaline drop quality music. Quality music we even not play today. You understand? Brother, remember say a reggae, we are talking about quality, brother. Reggae. Dancehall a different thing. Different thing, brother. You understand? Masicka can go and do him quality, you know. Can I do it with reggae artists and all of them look a thing there. You see me Protege and them artists them I do song with. You understand? And Popcorn and them look a thing there, brother. Can you feel like say quality? You think that's so quality so weird? Artists have to do quality hit songs, forget hit songs, quality songs? That now make no sense, bro. But we not gonna realize Masicka. We not gonna see that because we not see outside of the world. I see Masicka do an interview with an Africa over Nigeria and the girl asks him say she would want to see him and Shensia do a collaboration. The girl don't even know say Masicka is on the collaboration hit and run with Shensia. The woman don't even know. For sure, no. The things wanna run with in Jamaica, the outside of the world don't know, brother. You understand? But one do nothing, but brother get a better crux here, man. Him no know where I say, brother. Him move the goalpost. Me no know. Him no understand music. You see it. Big up on yourself. People, respect for the support. That is it.